Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and let's check out this package I got in the mail today. Well, I got a package from Stone Brewing today, and let's see what they sent me. Needs my unboxing knife. There it is. Never leave home without your unboxing knife, right? Good thing I've already had a few beers. Perfect. Alright, what do we get? This side up. Oh, okay. How does this work? Ah, I thought it was a slide. It is. Haha! We have Stone's Tropic Thunder Lager. Oh, a 3-pack. Ooh, what else they sent? So I got a little note here. It comes with. It says, SOS, I'm in desperate need of rescue. If you have received this message, send help. Rough seas capsized my boat, and I've been washed ashore on a desert island with nothing but the clothes on my back and a lifetime supply of Stone Tropic of Thunder Lager. Thankfully, this beer is pretty good. Really good, actually. And the weather is nice. You know what? Never mind. Call off the SOS. What else we got here? I got some swag. So I got one of those cell phone holders, pop out thing. That's Stone Tropic Thunder Lager. Maybe someone wins this. What? But that's cool. So I got two 12-ounce Stone Tropic Lagers and a big old 16. Now this beer is a 5.8% lager, so it's actually a little bit bigger lager. So I'm looking forward to trying this. This video will probably come out real soon. Thanks to the people at Stone, and thanks for letting me have this. This is going to be fantastic. I love it. See you guys later.